Hello! I hope everyone's okay. Here I am with a nail design in which I tried to use a couple of shades of pink from the Think Pink collection on Madame Glam website. If you didn't saw my last video, just some explanations about this. Madame Glam created a category called Think Pink in which all of the pink shades are already discounted through the entire month of October. They support a breast cancer research program, so they will donate $1 per bottle sold. So yeah, it's the perfect moment to increase your pink collection. Now going to my nail design, after I applied 2 layers of my base color that I cured in my LED lamp, I went with 2 shades of pink and I do like a random blending. I really didn't know how to call this action, what I'm doing here, but yeah, a random blending, like a line of blending 2 shades of pink. I must admit that I didn't know where I was going with this nail design. I know just that I wanted to use as much pink as possible. And yeah, it's very hard for me to practice my nail designs before applying them on my nails. Like before I was having time to perfect a design. Now I just do it, and how it turns out directly on my nails. Anyway, I separate the blending line with 2 lines of black gel polish that I also cured. And here you see me adding some sticky gel top coat. And I'm doing this just because after curing I'm going to stick some foil, and from my experience the black gel polish doesn't have enough stickiness so the foil to stick, you know what I mean? So I'm adding a little bit of gel top coat. This helps a lot. Here I'm applying a layer of top coat that is going to seal everything. And yeah, that's it. I really hope you guys like this nail design. Give it a try. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Take care. Bye!